guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. We're going to be doing a smoky glam makeup look today. We're going to start off with the brows, and I'll be using the Loreal Paris Brow Artist Genius Kit. I'm going to go for a natural brows and just fill in the spaces in between. Next, I'm going to jump in and do my eyes. For the eyes, I'm going to be using my Makeup Revolution Regeneration Goldmine palette. First things first, we're going to prime the eyes. And priming is essential because only then your makeup's gonna last longer. I'm gonna go in with the shade Hollywood and just go over my crease line. Then I'll be mixing Lavish and Private Jet. They are the shades of black. And honestly, it does superbly well when I have to do a smoky look for my eyes. I'm gonna be blending it out and ensure you blend it. I will then be using Miss Claire Shimmer Eyeliner, and then I will also be putting Kajal as it really accentuates the eyes and makes it look really well defined. I'll be packing my eyelid with Private Jet again. Then I'll be using the Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer and just going over under my eyes. On the bridge of my nose, on the forehead and the chin. Ensure you dab it. Never ever drag your concealer because if not, it can just completely ruin your makeup. I will then be using Pack HD foundation and I'm just going to be putting dots of it all over my face and blending it in. Then again, we need to blend our foundation because we don't need it to look patchy because seriously, who likes that? I'll be setting it with translucent powder from Ferrarucci. And this is a very beautiful setting powder as it sets my makeup really well. I will then be using my L'Oreal blush and just putting a little bit of rouge on my face. And honestly, I absolutely love this blush because it's the right amount of pink. It's not too pinky, it's not out there, but it's also there. I will then be mixing my Revolution palette and my Miss Claire palette. And I'll be bronzing my face. So I really like this bronzy shade and I will just be contouring it, and I'll be using my Revolution palette to contour my nose, as you can see. Then I will also be baking right under the contour as this really gives a very well-defined look. So yeah, then we're just going to dust it off. We're then going to be using the L'Oreal Paris setting spray, infallible setting spray. And after that, I'll be going in with my Sephora face palette. And here I can just see that this highlighter does really well after using the setting spray. And oh my god, the glow. I just absolutely love it. Next, I will be going in with the Maybelline lipstick. It's in the shade called Rich Ruby, and yeah, so this is where my look is complete after definitely using the mascara. So once you've applied mascara, it just completes the eyes and it just really lifts those eyelashes. And here's where I can say my look is complete. Thank you for watching. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Bye.